If you've been watching my channel on a regular basis, you will know I've been trying to update my computer for a few weeks now, and finally I'm going to be updating it today. If you haven't been watching it, I'm just going to quickly tell you what parts there are. So it's a Hero 8 motherboard with Wi-Fi. It is a Ryzen 9 5950X and 64GB of RAM, plus a heatsink. So we're going to be taking all that out and putting the new bits in. I've done several videos on it already, so check them out in the video description. I'll also stick it at the end in case you're interested. I think I've done about 4 or 5, something like that. It will be on a playlist, all right, just in case you're interested. So with that, a quick word from our sponsor, and then we'll get on with it. Sahara Gaming, who's sponsoring this video, believes you shouldn't have to pay a premium price for your computer peripherals. They believe that they can produce just as good a quality product at affordable prices. Check out the link in the video description below. Also, keep an eye out for a new and up and coming product that they're going to be releasing soon. I've got one here to do a review on, so keep your eye open for that. So with that, Sahara Gaming have sent me their new power strips, these little babies here, and a new controller. They say that some of their customers have asked for brighter lights, and the only way they can do it is to reduce the amount of lights actually connected on the strip. And the reason for that is there is a limit of how much power can go through a SATA cable. They have no control whatsoever on increasing the power consumption that goes through a cable. It's out of their hands. So they come up with the idea, well, we reduce the amount of lights, we can increase the brightness. So that is what they've done. And we will be placing these inside my new build, and hopefully it will be nice and bright. So with that, let's get on with the build. right, she's up and running, and yeah, doesn't it look good? I'm pleased with it. Haven't installed all the software yet that comes with the motherboard to sort out the RGB and anything else that it might need to do. I just want to get her up and running, make sure she's settled down. And for those that are interested, no, I haven't sorted out the cable management yet. I want to get her up and running first, and I'm going to do that at a later stage. Also, the temperatures. If you're interested in core temperatures, it's averaging 41 Celsius on idle, and the lowest it's been down to is 38, and the highest is 64, and I have been pushing it quite hard. I haven't done no bench testing. Let me know in the comments whether you want me to do any bench testing. If you do, also let me know in the comments what software you'd rather see me run the bench test on. I have, you know, 3D Mark, stuff like that. If there's any other software you'd like me to run to do a bench test, let me know, and if it's not too expensive, I will go out and buy it, or hopefully it'll be a freebie one, and I will test it, because, you know, we like to see how fast and how powerful that little baby is. I'm not going to overclock it. I will do it at a later stage. Again, let me know in the comments whether it's something you would be interested in, and I will do an overclock. So yeah, very pleased with it. Looks really good, and it is running quite fast. I've already been doing some video editing, and yeah, very pleased with it. And I also like the cooler, actually. The cooler looks awesome. I do have another cooler that turned up, and I'm going to put that into another case. That one is the one from Sahara Gaming. That is going into my other case, and we will be doing a review on that. So keep an eye out for that one. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. Please subscribe. Thanks very much for watching. Jeez, man.